In our previous video, we spoke about how people will start talking a lot about routines, building habits, goal setting for 2025, their resolutions, etc. In today's video, let us see how a routine can help us in building habits, and also let's learn a little bit more about habit stacking. Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what has helped me bring about some sort of discipline and avoid the fear of uncertainty, also, which has helped me cope up with my procrastination problem, is routine. So, what I've done is I have divided my entire day into half an hour time slots. Say, for instance, if I wake up at 4 in the morning and sleep at 10 in the night, I have a routine which starts from 4 to 4:30, 4:30 to 5, 5 to 5:30, and so on and so forth. It goes on till 9:30 to 10. And under each time slot, I have given myself 5 to 8 options so that my brain doesn't get bored every single day. Let's say, for instance, 6 to 6:30 in the morning, I might have reading or doing meditation or journaling, planning for the day, or going for a shower, or doing yoga, etc. So this way I have given some options for myself so that I get to choose it every single day. Let's say on Monday, if 6 to 6:30 I'm doing yoga, on Tuesday I can read from 6 to 6:30, or on Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 I can do some journaling or meditation, etc. This is also helping me cope up with the monotonous activities that keeps happening every single day, that kind of gets on to me very easily. So, why did I even start a routine in the first place? To build habits. Very, very simple. If I wanted some sort of habits in my life, I realized that I wanted a proper routine to put this in place. Let's say I was an avid reader once upon a time, and eventually, gradually, it came down, and I realized that I really wanted to start reading again. So, for me, that is one habit that I wanted to inculcate in my life. What I did is, in this entire routine that I've set for myself, I made it a point to add this reading as an option somewhere, which is mandatory. Like, if I'm not reading from 6 to 6:30 today, probably I'll be reading from 8 to 8:30, but reading is still a part of my routine. And this kind of gives me a clarity about what is happening in my day, what are the different things I need to do. And this is also going to help me avoid procrastination, which is my biggest problem. First of all, if you don't know the reason why you're starting a particular habit, it might be very difficult for you to stick to it. So, first things first, try and understand what is the need, or why do you even need a certain habit in the first place. And even before that, if you don't know what habit you want, do a very, very small activity. Sit in a very comfortable position in a very quiet place. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. What time are you waking up? What do you do after waking up? Are you journaling? Are you playing with your dog? Or are you making coffee? Are you getting ready to go to the gym? Are you hitting the gym already? Or are you doing your skincare? You're doing meditation, whatever it is. Now, visualize the entire day. Visualize yourself, what you're wearing, what are you doing, how does your home look like, what are the different things in your house, what is the texture of the wall, what is the color of the paint, and everything, like every tiny detail, right from the texture of the skincare products that you're using, to the coffee beans that you're using to make your coffee, the kind of bowls that you're using to make your food, everything. Visualize every single thing. Now, once you're done, open your eyes and now think about your existing life. And now you will know the gap between your dream life and your existing life. In a piece of paper or on your journal or anywhere, write down these gaps. Now let's say in your dream life you wake up at 5 in the morning, and actually you wake up at 8 in the morning. So from 5 to 8, this 3 hours gap that is there, you can do a lot of things in this 3 hours. Okay, so in these 3 hours you can do anything which probably you're not doing right now, so write that gap. Okay, waking up time is different, and probably in your dream life you also do a lot of yoga, meditation, workout, eating healthy, eating clean, you're very fit, everything. And probably in real life you are completely stressed or burnt out or something. So write this gap first. Once you have identified these gaps, now sit and think about different ways to fill this gap. Now let's say first gap is the waking up time. Instead of suddenly changing it to 5 o'clock from tomorrow, start going back by half an hour. Instead of 8 o'clock, start waking up at 7:30. Once you get used to 7:30, slowly go back to 7. And this is how you reach 5 o'clock timing as per your dream life. Similarly, try to use these 3 hours in the day, in the beginning of your day, to do something else. Probably you are not reading right now, but in your dream life you read every single day. So when you wake up at 7:30 instead of 8, in that half an hour, start reading. The first thing in the morning, start reading. And this is how you know that what is the gap and how you can fill it. The how you can fill it becomes your new habit. But also understand as to why do you even need this. Probably because you're not reading enough right now. Probably you want to read more of self help books because you're too much into fiction. Or let's say you're not doing workouts at all like me. So you can start yoga, or you can start going for a jog or a run, hit the gym, anything that you haven't been doing right now, because not doing it is going to affect your health in some way or the other. So now you know the why behind it, and now you know the gap, and now you also know what habit you want to inculcate. Combine it all together is when you know this is one habit and why you want that particular habit in your life. So next we move on to habit stacking, which is there are multiple habits that you want to stack on top of each other, which anchors the previous one. So for example, now that 7:30 you wake up, as soon as you wake up you go to the washroom, you brush your teeth, freshen up, you come out, you have to read the book. So keep the book ready on the table so that you can come here, start reading. Once you're done reading, probably the next habit that you want to inculcate is journaling. So once you're done reading, immediately you keep, like, make sure you keep your journal next to it, so that once it is like half an hour of reading is done, you close the book, you take your journal, you start writing. So this is not something new that you're adding, or you're not making additional time for it, but in your existing time period what you have already, you're trying to add another one, so you know what happens after the other one. Once you close the book, you have to open the journal. Once you're done journaling, you have to close and sit for meditation. Once you're done with your meditation, you have to spread your yoga mat and start doing yoga. So on and so forth. This is how you're going to stack different habits one on top of the other. This is also how you will be building habits, inculcating them in your life by understanding the why behind it, and also trying to identify the gap between your dream life and your existing life, to see how you can put this jigsaw puzzle pieces and finally get the whole big picture. This is very, very simple, to be very honest. All you have to do is first divide your entire day into half an hour time slots. Let's say if you're going for your workout or you're hitting the gym, which is for 1 hour, it's okay. You can change it. Instead of half an hour, write it as 1 hour. So let's say 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning you're hitting the gym. Instead of 8 to 8:30, you can make it as 8 to 9. That's completely okay. But try to divide the entire day into minimum of half an hour slots. Under each slots, make sure you give yourself at least 5 to 8 options, so that if at all you're bored, you can easily switch to something else, and either way it is going to help you in some way or the other. Once that is done, this is going to help you stick to a routine every single day. And with this, you're parallelly inculcating new habits in your life and also stacking habits, which in turn is going to help you achieve your long term goals. But the mantra here is, every single day when you wake up, tell your brain that, dear brain, it's only for one day. Let us follow this routine for one single day and see what happens. If this is very successful today, then we'll think about it later. So this is how you're going to tell your brain every single day, even though you are sticking to your routine and you have seen the result for today, that yeah, you're able to finish your work faster, you get more time for yourself, you get more time for your self care or whatever it is. It is okay, you know it already that this is going to help you, but every single day just tell yourself, only for one day. Let's stick to it for one single day and see how it's going to help me. So eventually when you see the results, automatically this entire thing is going to be like an automated situation in your life. So your brain is automated, your body is automated eventually, and as soon as you wake up, you'll just keep doing one after the other. You don't really need a whiteboard to tell you what happens next, what can be done. No. Okay. So, yes, try these simple steps. Try to stick to routine. It might sound very monotonous, but trust me, it's going to help you in long term. I am seeing the result right now. I'm 30 and now I have realized the importance of it. So, try sticking to these habits. Try to inculcate one or two habits at a time and slowly stack on top of the other. Don't rush and tell yourself, just one day at a time. Try these and thank me later. Do let me know if you have some other tricks or tips or methods of habit building or routine, and anything that has helped you in your productivity and long term goals. Drop them in the comment section below. Let's have a conversation there, and I will pin your comments if they are really very useful and if I think other people can benefit from it. So yeah, please don't forget to like this video. Also, thank you so much if you're stuck till now. Do share it with your family and friends so that it helps at least somebody else. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much once again. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.